for me, the person who is educated to be the part of the Saraswati Gyan ceremonies is very important because Magadista, these dignitaries, this Sesa people who have given you, they have already accomplished with Vidya. They have a good Vidya, and if you go opposite to Vidya, it's a Dyavi immaladi. That means you have to give. And once Vidya is given, you get it more and more, and that's how Lakshmi follows, and that's what they are doing. They are giving more to the people, and I think Sesa or Sesa Goa, which is how we are born and brought up to know, and which is turned to Vedanta. They have inbuilt DNA in their veins that they always keep on giving and for the betterment of the society. And since the time this ST has been incepted, I think in 1994, what figures I got, there are, they said 1,500 plus people, ITI holders, Janjane Aha Shikla, and all those alumni got 100% job placement as well, and they are most successful. So तुमका ऐकूच सांगता, when I come till here, I myself have done electronic engineering, but more than me, as sir said, contamination and wish is good. When I was passed out and I have taken first my job in general instrument, I was zero. We were like bookish people with good degrees, good percentage, but practical knowledge was zero. And I was also accomplished by ITI people. They used to teach me the basic things. So you pet your bed, then you are technically pro. And I believe more than, there are two types of skills in the life. Doon asta. One is soft skill and one is domain skill. Soft skill, domain skill is your degree and certificates. Soft skill is a one where you know your job very well on field, as well as you should know to speak very well. So after passing from here, पहिली तुम्ही शिका की don't feel hesitate and shy. Be very confident. किरे येना सुद्धा त्याला येता ते हांगा थंय लावन, because no one have a Google Baba all time to know what you have spoken. किरे येता ते सांगप, but you should be very confident enough when you face the interviews. You have to think 100%, and India is growing country, and hats off to the Sesa. Now Modi ji or our respected honorable CM is talking about Swayambhuna Goa, but Vedanta and so-called Sesa group has thought about it, and so they have incepted this institute around 70 years back. Yes, sir? 30 years back. They had a vision to do something for the society. So, तुम्ही सुद्धा वडले जाया. See, you have to take it very seriously. Till here, your parents must have taken care of you. Afterwards, with your good character, your pocket income is very, very important, crucial in your life to have a standard of living. So you have to be very serious. Opportunity knocks only once, but you have to grab those opportunity, be 100% and think very big. And of course, see, I believe now they had asked me to do the honors of distributing certificates. What I believe, maga sadaste karta honor ni, I take one step back. Why, I feel, yes, we are elected people. Yes, no? Elected. There is one saying in a Sanskrit, they say, Raja Praja Pujyate. Apitu Vidwan Sarvatra Pujyate. As a meaning, kire khabar hai how ada hanga sakhe nevudun ila. That is for 5 years. I will be respected by my Praja for 5 years. Yes or no? Then they will say, Kon Siddhi, I cannot asle lesser show, but if I do that. But if you are intelligent and skilled enough, then Vidwan Sarvatra Pujyate. Vidwan Marisasta. So this Sir Krishna, Sir or Praveen Sir, they have achieved, or Leena teacher, they have achieved one degree, they have achieved one qualification status, and even if they are not elected, but they will be Pujyate by everywhere throughout their life. Yes or no? So you have to achieve that status, you have to be skilled in that. And after all, see, देणाऱ्याने देत जावे, घेणाऱ्याने घेत जावे, देणाऱ्याने देता देता घेणाऱ्याचे हात द्यावे. So meaning लक्षात ठेवा. What I have to say is, see, this Sesa or MRF, even I am very privileged to say that MRF company has also given us this Hearstman last year. Vedanta is also signing MOU with the initiative of Leena Madam. Nilesh sir is also following strongly, and we have a TACO project, which is a very big project. So what these people are doing, they have taken first Saraswati very seriously. They have learned. then this company's CEO or executive engineer, whoever are the owners of the company, they have achieved Lakshmi a lot and then they have given it back. So you have to remember, you have to think in that way कि आपण एक दिस भरपूर शिकतलो, बरे करतलो, I will have in crores earning and then I will give back to the society and for our nation.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.